Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Guy. So today we are going to discuss Skipfish. What is Skipfish? So let's just go ahead and open our terminal and we can type what is Skipfish, and you see nothing inappropriate. The reason being is because it is not yet installed. So the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to try to install it. Let's say sudo apt get Skipfish. Yeah, I put the if you see I put the wrong comment. Apt install. Give me a second, please. Skipfish. Alright, so I say yes, and then it's gonna be installed. So I'm going to pause the video and be back once the installation is complete. Welcome back. Congratulations. You successfully download and install Skipfish. So what is Skipfish? Skipfish is a vulnerability scanner that was developed by Google. So it allows you to scan websites for vulnerabilities. So in this video today, what we are going to do, we are going to show you how you can quickly scan your website and to find the vulnerabilities before the bad guy do. So let's just go ahead and just say what is Skipfish. You can see it's a web application security scanner. So for the purpose of our video today, what we are going to do, let's just go ahead and open Firefox. There are two websites that we are going to scan, because you have to make sure that you always scan a website that you have permission to. Okay, so there's that website that called test PHP vulnerability. So it was built and designed for security researchers, cybersecurity professional to scan. It's almost like Metaxplorable. Now, if you don't know what Metaxplorable is, feel free to go back to our previous videos, especially in the operating systems playlist, to see what Metaxplorable is. So this is the website that we are going to scan today. So it is kind of a little bit slow. So what we can do in the meantime, let me just go ahead and start the Kali comment. So okay, so this is the website. So as you can see, there's a warning. So this is not a real shop. It's an example PHP application which is intentionally vulnerable to web attack. So just as an FYI, so what we can do now, let's just go ahead and scan that website. To scan it, we can just type skipfish-o, and then we can call it report 202, and then paste the website that we wanna scan. You just go paste to the clipboard. Let me just remove the extra characters. All right, I'm going to remove all the things that I needed, and then hit enter. Now we can press any key. As you can see, this is starting already, and then you can just let it go like for 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 minutes, depends on how much information that you want to gather. So this is very important for you to just let it go for a while. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to keep it short. So what we are going to do, once this hit about 20%, I'm going to just press Ctrl Z. That will just stop the scan, so we can just see the result, because we are here just for only demonstration purposes. Now, okay, it's almost 20. It is 19.05, 2021, I can hit Control Z. As you can see, this is where my report is saved. To find my report, if I were to just type ls and then into my desktop, probably I can just go to home, and just into here I see report 202, and into report 202 I have a bunch of files, that just have, like they are not the report. As you can see, they are JS, which is JavaScript. So what I'm going to be looking for, let me look for the index file, because in programming, index is the home page. So you will see index.html. Let's just try to open it and then give it a minute to just properly load. As you can see here, this is our report, the date that it was performed, and then this is the website that we scan, and then you see a bunch of information about that website that you can just expand. And this looks very beautiful too. As you know, if you are scanning this for a client, it just automatically give you that beautiful user interface that looks very professional. Now, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay up to date with our latest cybersecurity videos. Until next time, happy learning.